Soft sanders. We understand what it takes to sand. It takes flexibility. Conformability. Blocks will maintain curvature until sandpaper is removed. Adaptability. With soft sanders, you can sand difficult contours or sand perfectly flat surfaces. Durability. Whether you are sanding filler with 40 grit or sanding in tight areas, these blocks are tough. Versatility. Soft sanders include 6 uniquely shaped sanding blocks, designed to use adhesive-backed sandpaper. Also works great with non-adhesive wet or dry sandpaper. Capability. Soft sanders, with their different densities, virtually eliminate gouging. Nothing else in existence performs like soft sanders.